We talk a lot about spotting phishing messages, so much so you've probably got the SLAM method burned into your brain by now. Although your skills may be sharpened there, it's important to know another type of phishing commonly found in the cybersecurity world. Phishing landing pages are commonly found after a user clicks a link in a malicious message, or from being redirected during a web browsing session and clicking on an ad or search result. It might seem like you've been taken to a legitimate website as was originally promised, but look closely. The site that appears may try to impersonate a legitimate website, but after entering in their requested information, your data may be transferred right to the cybercriminal. The most common phishing landing page seen is a simple login screen. After the target is lured to the fake page, they're asked to enter their username and password. Submitting this information on a fake page will transmit your credentials straight to the cybercriminal. Essentially, like handing your house keys to a burglar. Spotting these phony pages may be tough as the good scammers spend time making their fake site look exactly like the page they're trying to clone. Here's some tips to help you spot a phishing landing page. 1. Look for any discrepancies on the page. This could be formatting issues, inconsistent logos, spelling mistakes, and more. 2. Carefully check the URL. Look for misspellings in the URL or a completely different URL than where you think you should be. 3. Know when too much information is being requested. These landing pages have been known to ask for more sensitive information than just credentials, such as government identification numbers, address information, dates of birth, and more. When you see this much information being requested, raise your red flag. 4. Set up two-factor authentication on as many accounts as possible. This extra step will help limit the damages of this type of event. 5. Look for the website to be secured with SSL encryption, which stands for Secure Socket Layers. How do I know if it's secured? Simple, look for the website to begin with HTTPS, with the S standing for secure. Also, many browsers will denote these secure connections by displaying a lock icon next to the URL. 6. If you think you've entered information on a phishing page, act quickly. Access the company's real direct website. Log in with your credentials, and change your password immediately. Well, many of these tips will help. Evaluate as many of these tips as possible before submitting information. So, remain diligent at watching for phishing messages, but be on the lookout for phishing landing pages as well. Follow these tips to help keep your information safe.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.